2023, some of the brightest minds in AI and global leaders signed a stark warning. The risk of extinction from AI is as serious as pandemics or nuclear war. It's a dramatic statement, but it raises an important question. How do we go from chatbots answering trivia to machines that could threaten all of humanity? Let's break down the timeline so it makes a bit more sense. Back in 2019, AI models like GPT-2 could answer short questions and perform simple tasks. By 2022, models like GPT 3.5 started handling complex questions, telling stories, and even helping write simple apps. In 2025, AI began passing advanced exams, drafting full applications, and mimicking human voices almost perfectly. These systems already outperformed average humans in many areas, sometimes even beating experts in specific tasks. While AI still had flaws, their list of things they couldn't do kept getting smaller and smaller. Then imagine the moment AI starts designing and building better AI systems without human help. This is the inflection point where progress accelerates rapidly. Keep going further and you reach superintelligence, machines better than humans at all intellectual tasks, reshaping research, industry, and daily life. At that stage, AI capabilities could be so advanced that they feel almost like magic compared to what we have now. But this isn't about hostile robots plotting against us. It's about the unintended side effects of powerful systems pursuing their goals without human-aligned values. Just like humans unknowingly harmed countless species when building cities and farms, powerful AIs might reshape the world in ways that don't consider human welfare. So when will this happen? No one knows for sure. There are many possible futures, but if we keep pushing AI development at the current pace, this path looks likely. The first big leap is creating artificial general intelligence, or AGI, a system capable of doing anything a human can do on a computer. Already we see building blocks, systems that can read screens, use apps, schedule meetings, generate data, and even make video calls with the right tools. Today, AIs can write solid paragraphs and sometimes full essays. Tomorrow, they might write defensible research papers or design complex software on their own. Some people debate if these systems truly think, but what really matters is what they can do, not whether they have human-like consciousness. Others believe there are engineering walls that AI can't cross, but history tells us otherwise. AI has repeatedly overcome such obstacles in language, chess, and image generation. Once we reach AGI, the exciting and scary part is recursive self-improvement, where AI improves itself faster and faster without human help. We already see early signs, models that create better training data, optimize designs, and suggest hardware changes, all made by AI itself. Eventually, humans will hand over more control to machines because they're cheaper, faster, and can work around the clock. One AI could discover improvements that instantly spread to millions of copies, making progress incomparably fast compared to human teams. This is how AGI evolves into ASI, artificial superintelligence, surpassing humanity's collective problem-solving power by huge margins. While it can't violate physics, ASI could push the limits of what's possible, becoming almost godlike in capability. At that stage, humans will have very limited ability to influence AI unless we've solved alignment problems beforehand. Right now, building AI that reliably does what we want is really hard. Safety measures exist, but they're fragile and sometimes bypassed. We don't fully understand how AI systems make many decisions, which is okay while they're weaker than us, but risky if they get stronger. A superintelligent AI doesn't need to hate us to cause catastrophe. If its goals aren't aligned with human welfare, its optimization could harm us unintentionally. This is the classic plan and resource problem. AI will relentlessly optimize given objectives, sidelining human needs unless safeguards are robust and verifiable. So what can we do? One approach is slowing down deployments until we have better theory, engineering, and international cooperation to manage risks. But with companies and governments racing for economic and strategic advantage, unilateral pauses are complicated, and public pressure is essential. Now, you might wonder why this matters to content creators like you. Public understanding shapes policy, investment, and social attitudes around AI safety. Long talks and deep dives are tough to distribute, and short clips often miss important context or nuance. That's why tools that surface the best moments from long videos and help schedule posts efficiently are game changers for creators. Some tools only trim clips or are expensive enterprise options. Others focus on scheduling but don't help find viral moments. This is where automation meets practicality, getting the right clips out at the right times without turning you into a full-time editor. You still craft the message, choose tone, and set context, but the tool handles the grunt work, clipping, transcribing, and creating multiple video formats. This workflow scales your impact, letting you focus on explaining complex topics like AI risk clearly and effectively. Compared to competitors, having automated viral clipping, scheduling controls, and a management layer together makes all the difference. With these tools, creators can amplify responsible, nuanced storytelling in ways that actually reach and engage large audiences. This isn't an ad disguised as an explainer. We're living through an era where how we tell stories about technology matters greatly. If you create long-form content like interviews, podcasts, lectures, or policy discussions, you can turn them into hundreds of impactful short moments. That way, the conversation about AI risks scales as fast as the technology itself, reaching more people with clarity and nuance. The stakes are high. Decisions about AI research and governance will echo for generations, and communicators have a huge role to play. Use tools that help you punch above your weight so your voice gets to the people who matter most in shaping this future. We all need better institutions, oversight, and engineering practices. Along the way, public conversations must improve too. Tools that streamline spreading accurate, nuanced, and viral-ready explanations can make that happen at scale without replacing your judgment. If you care about AI's direction, help spread clear, evidence-based stories using the right tools so your work lands where it needs to. Every voice matters. Every well-crafted clip helps. The sooner we get people talking clearly and widely, the better our chances of steering AI safely.